nnukwu mmadu bụ nnukwu alụsị, and alụsị nwe ọra sie. Ọra sie include arọbụ Akogholi, which means that if you are a person of high potential, if you feel like you are a big person, if you feel like you're a big masquerade, yeah, just know say the forces where come with you, yeah, where they attach to you, that are focused on you not fulfilling your potential, are also big. Nnukwu mmadu bụ nnukwu alụsị. As such, you now go congas dey even more conscientious about controlling your Akogholi. Now you can either do it by running away from things that are Akogholi, that you feel like are drawing you back, which is a lot of discipline, right? And you can combine that with the metaphysical science, right, of Akogholi, right? So you can either avoid Akogholi situations, remove yourself from society, not remove yourself, so that's extreme, like put in work, fight the fight, and Akogholi, the kind of Akogholi. Basically, just the way isi we big aura, maybe big there to be like the mmili, right? Big ezumezu, maybe in echichi na the principalities, na still the same way you get big Akogholi. Aka nnukwu mmadu bụ nnukwu alụsị, big masquerade.